Hello again, everyone, and welcome to this week's US Autocure Educational Minute. I hear from people all the time, I don't need an infrared curing system. I'm going to go faster because my people are going to do things differently, or advances in chemistry and other products that I use are going to allow me to go faster. Those things may all be true, but they don't negate the advantage of also adding an infrared curing system from US Autocure because, as our chemist Pat Mormile likes to remind us, fast plus fast equals faster, meaning that you can speed things up via chemistry or technique. You can also speed them up via technology such as US Autocure. But in order to do so, you don't need to rule one out in favor of the other. Oftentimes, these technologies all work in beautiful harmony in order to make a shop far more efficient and allow you to get the most production to meet the demand. This has been this week's US Autocure Minute. Learn this and much more at www.usautocure.com.